Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious dessert, puff paste and peaches, that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing and delicious puff pastry and peach dessert. These are the ingredients: cream cheese, 1 egg, honey, vanilla paste, granulated sugar, puff pastry, and of course your peaches. This is everything you need to enjoy it with your beautiful family. So let's get started. I want to start here with my cream cheese. The cream cheese has come to room temperature. I got it out of the refrigerator about 2 hours before making this amazing dessert. And here I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of honey. I am adding it right on top of the cream cheese. I am going to incorporate the honey really good into the cream cheese. That's why it's very important for you to get your cream cheese out of the refrigerator at least 2 hours before making your dessert. It won't go bad. It's going to get really creamy. And of course, you could add so many things to your cream cheese. I am adding the honey. I am adding 1 tablespoon of the vanilla paste. I'm going to incorporate it really good. I want the cream cheese to really absorb the flavors of the honey and the flavors of the vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could add vanilla extract. And here I am adding it to a little baggie, a piping bag, so that it's easier for me to add it to my amazing dessert. If you don't have these little bags, you could use a Ziploc bag. And here I have my peaches. I am going to score it, and then I'm going to start slicing away every little slice, nice and thin, and trying to get almost everything at the same size so that it cooks perfectly. This is what takes longer when you make this amazing dessert. It's really hot here in California, and this is a perfect dessert because it doesn't take too long to prepare, and the oven won't be that hot for a long time. You preheat your oven at 450 and then cook it for 15 minutes. Of course, every oven is different. And here, once you have all your slices, drizzle a little bit of the granulated sugar on the top so that the peaches start absorbing the amazing flavor of the sugar. And here I have the puff pastry. I took the puff pastry out of the refrigerator about half an hour ago. It's still nice and firm, and that's exactly how I want it. I don't want it sticky at all, so I took it out for about 30 minutes before making the recipe. And now I am ready to cut my little squares and then cut another little square in the center. This is where I'm going to put the filling. But before I put the filling, I am going to use a fork and punch a little bit of holes right in that little square in the center. Try not to go past through the paper. You just want superficial lines, the mini square inside, very superficial. Once you have this done, then you are ready to pipe the cream cheese right in the center and then add the peaches right on the top. Let me tell you, this dessert is very easy to prepare with ingredients that you might already have in your home or easy to obtain from any supermarket. Use the fruit that is in season. I am using peaches, but of course you could use any type of fruit to make this amazing dessert at home. Look at this. I am really going to enjoy it with my beautiful family. When the day ends, I'm going to have a glass of milk and I'm going to enjoy one of these desserts. Just remember to always preheat your oven. I'm going to add a little bit of egg wash right on the edges. It's just an egg and a splash of water. And then I'm just going to brush it in right on the sides. This is going to make the puff pastry so crispy and golden brown. And here I'm drizzling a little bit of the granulated sugar right on the top. And then I am ready to put it in the oven, and let's see how it comes out. Look at this. A very easy and amazing dessert. And if you want to be a little fancy, you could add, when this is done, you could add a ball of ice cream. Of course, here they're done after 15 minutes. Look how beautiful they look. I am going to drizzle right on the top a little bit of the honey so that the peaches are nice and shiny. I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit. You don't need too much. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this dessert, like, subscribe, and share so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look at this. And if you want to be a little fancy, you could add right on the top a little bit of powdered sugar. And of course, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Add a little bit of powdered sugar right on the top. And then I am ready to enjoy it. Look how beautiful it looks. And I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. Remember, when you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it with my beautiful family. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Familia linda, ya he terminado con este postre de durazno. Por supuesto lo puedes dejar así, pero yo agregué un poquito de azúcar glass porque le da, miren, de la vista nace el amor. El azúcar glass se queda encimita, no se desaparece, y vamos a probar cómo ha quedado. Por supuesto, bien doradito y bien esponjadito. Permiso. ¡Qué delicia! Quedó tan doradito y esponjadito. El queso crema y la combinación de los duraznos, miren, riquísimo. Te recomiendo este postre, fácil de preparar y delicioso. Si te gustó y te encantó esta rica y deliciosa receta de hojaldre con durazno, regálame tu like, comparte este video, suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. No se te olvide a presionar esa campanita. Si ya la presionaste, déjala activada, así que cada vez que suba una rica y deliciosa receta, vas a ser notificada y notificado. Antes de despedirme, yo les deseo mucho amor y paz. Los quiero un montón. Gracias por ser parte de Gloria en la Cocina. Regálame tu like, comparte este video y suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.